Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to analyze gold US dollar for the upcoming week starting from Monday 27th February 2023 and the week will end on Friday 3rd March 2023. So I hope in these 5 trading days we will make lots and lots of profits hopefully. So, tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made profits last week. Before starting the fresh analysis for dollar, for gold dollar, what I'm going to do is today, especially, is to recall a little bit of the previous setups. So, if you remember, and I'm sure you will remember that last week, right here. If you see, this setup gave like 164 pips, but again, I was like stopped out right here. It's okay. It's completely okay because this is Forex and it's like part of trading. So what I said is it's going to retest 1846 in that video because according to my strategy, TP1 is hit right here. Those who traded this setup with TP1, they must have got good profit. I just opened you can say two lots right here, but I didn't close any of them and it hit the break-even point. Now remember, most of you, before leaving the video, because I know when I say this setup failed, most of you leave the video because you think that it's not working, it's keep failing, right? So let me tell you that if it this smaller setup didn't work, how about this bigger one? Because I have discussed bigger plans as well. And just like last week I said 1810 is the zone and 1745.73, it should be approaching this zone from Monday onwards, right? But stay with me. There is a lot to share with you, and there is also a very good and nice setup which will tell us which way the market is going. So just like last week, I gave a buy setup from here that went how much? Let's see how much from here. 178 pips, 193 pips from here, then 159 pips from here, and then the market continue back down. Now let me show you another thing, and you must have seen that as well. Right here right here, same thing happened with me as well right here, and even I discussed that in my previous videos. If you can check it out here, I was also stopped at break even, because you will know that I'm following this whole story all the way from right here. Okay, from not right here, this is the peak. It was a bit down than that, I guess. Maybe on this red candle, I guess I entered pending stop right here, and at the moment 1196 pips it's going up. But there is one tricky thing that happened, and that is, here I got out at break even. I never entered into some more sell trades. So I kept on the bigger accounts this sell trades, most of the accounts this sell trade, and that's giving me good profits. Right here I stopped at break even because it was giving me, I should say, very less profit, because just 200 pips from one trade and 150 from another approximately. So now if you see, it is 1445, but what happened is I closed my deals. I closed my deals last week right here. If you see, most of my trades. And for 2 days, like this is, I guess, the Friday, 16th February. Let's check it out on 16th. What was the date? Okay, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. This is just Monday. The market went up because of the low volume. Just one day and 3 days. But when I discuss that setup, it means that I will consider that from Monday onwards. So almost like overall, if I say this setup got completely failed, right? So I want to make things clear. Now, the main thing is how to trade gold in the upcoming week. Obviously, I'm like bearish from here. Let me show you this one. See, this is like the miracle, okay? And it has to come down to 1745. Now let's find out what's so special about this 1745, because I said it's going down, but it can reverse. This is forex. Most of the time what happens is we 100% are sure that the market is going this way. It maybe up or down or sideways. But at the end, when you open your computer the next day, what happens is it completely do the reverse. So for that, we have to study the structures. I have made videos on structures as well when my channel was new, so you can go back and watch some of my previous videos and live streams. But for now, I'm clearly bearish and I'm looking for what can be that trap zone which can stop my which can stop me out. So first thing first, just like in my last weekly forex forecast of gold, what I said is this move may be compromised. Okay, 813 pips. What do you think? Shall I take it on Monday? See, like we have, let's study this whole structure for that. What happened is confirmation. Now let me discuss confirmation first, and let me tell you what happens during confirmations is that the market will be coming back down very easily, down or up. But in this situation it was coming back down. In order to understand this particular story, I have to read this one as well. So it's coming down. I discussed it several times in my videos. Right here, what it was supposed to do is, according to Fibonacci, remember, created a top and it was supposed to complete at 1537. Remember 1537. Remember this level? Now let me show you. Let's delete some unwanted things from here and let this plan be right here, okay? It should be right here. I'm not going to change it. Don't get bored. I know most of you don't watch the videos completely. So you miss a lot of new information that I usually share in these videos. Okay. What I was saying is, let's let this plan be right here. It should be right here. It was so that I in the future I know that which plan failed. Okay. Here I'm going to teach you a very not teach you, most of you will know that, but the beginners especially they make several mistakes. So a new concept is you have to study this story. Now what this story is suggesting us, it failed. What does that mean? If something fails, let's say I'm going somewhere. I am going somewhere in my car. In the middle of the road, for some reason, maybe there is a fault in the car or something, I couldn't go there. So if I cannot go to my destination, where will I go next? Psychologically, if I have a family, obviously I will come back to my home. Similarly, if one plan fails, where is the price going to go down? It's going back to its home. 1745 is the home of gold bears and a place for bulls. And just like last week I said, it may be compromised, but since I just made this much profit, around 1300 profit from that trade, then I was stopped out at break even. Now I'm out of the story and I know it's going down. So I obviously cannot miss this move. And I'm so lucky. If the market was like this at the moment, let's say this is a candle. If it was like this right here, I wouldn't be trading it because just 428 pips. Maybe on the lower time frames I may scalped there or took some intraday trades there, but I definitely wouldn't take any weekly trade right here. But since it didn't happen, so I'm lucky enough. Uh, this compromised move that still is in my hand on Monday, and it's approaching 1745. This is, remember, 1745, but unless it can go further down, okay, but unless I get a break below from 1745, let's say I take a sell trade right here today. Sorry, not today, it's Saturday. Let's say I take a sell trade right here on Monday and it come back down till here. From where did I, and let's say it come back to 1745, I will be out of the market. Remember, taking, like, when I here is one more thing. When I uh, discuss the gold long term plans, what I usually do is I find one of the level, like in this case 1745, so I will close my trade there and then I will wait for a fresh opportunity. And I'm afraid of trading gold as a bear because it is a metal, and when I'm on a buy and it's negative, it's okay. I can from the lower price take more buy because I have equity, right? But when I take a sell trade, I am a little bit of afraid from that. Why? Because who knows, like, since if we see this whole monthly plan, it is just going up and up and up. So sometimes when I take sell, I am sort of, you can say, afraid. Fear, there is a fear. Obviously, there should be some fear. I am afraid of such thing. Let's say on this top, if I took a sell trade with the anticipation that the market is going to go down because the trend was down, and that go negative against me, no doubt it will not be stopped out because I will not put any stop loss for that because I have a successful hedging strategy which is not public, uh, and it is based on Fibonacci. So that's why I'm afraid of a sell. But for the buy, I don't get afraid. Even these traders on 1st September 2011 who took buy trade and who could keep that buy trade were down for almost like till 2016, 5-6 years. It was down, but it will not cause any harm for the investors and for the big trader. So that's why, like, I'm a bit of afraid when I trade gold as a seller. So obviously I will be putting stop loss for that, but not on Monday. I will just take a trade. I will see what it's going to do, and then I will decide what I want to do with that. So let's see on Monday if it's going down or not. but at the moment a very fresh trade can be a sell from 1828. So let's see if on Monday, if it go up, I definitely will be taking a sell trade. And I was discussing this story where that was right here. And I have told you that I'm going to discuss an important concept with you. There are a lot of things, and in 20 minutes, I skip most of the things. In this video, I'm also not feeling well, and I'm also like, there is a lot to talk about, but in just 20 minutes, I may not be able to discuss that. But here, if you see a double bottom, a retest, and the continuation. And this is the place where what happened at this place is, from here what happened, market is smoothly coming down. Till here what happened is market got a top. Very nice, perfect top, and Fibonacci as well. Whenever there is a reversal from Fibonacci, I must be discussing that because this is obviously my strategy. An exact 61.8% retracement of this whole impulsive leg right here. So market was supposed to come back down till 1537. It did not, so it failed. Let me delete it now. And just like I have said, when it failed, where will it go? It will go to its home. Where was its home? 1745 was its home. Why? It will take a lot of time, but let's see if I can. 1745, why? Because have a look at this, 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 have a look at this. Very, very strong level it is, by the way. So let's see on the H4, it is clearly down. Let me delete this Fibonacci and let me give you my final overview about that. Well, I clearly think it's going down for how much it is around 700 800 pips right here, because I'm going to pick it from here, maybe from here on the lower time frames. On the H1, if we see, maybe if the price go up, because I don't know what will happen on Monday, but let's see this Fibonacci, maybe I can add a position right here. I will update you about that. 1831.89, 1838. A very, even this zone is for a sell, it's very good. But if you can trade it, and even it's like good for day traders, for intraday traders, for scalpers, because once you identify that okay, the market is going from 1828, it's going 1745, like 55, and around at the moment 55 and 10, $65 an ounce you can generate. And even if it go up to 1828, you can make like around how much that was, 65 plus around 80 pips you can say. So very nice it is, and I'm so lucky that I got this compromised move to trade, and on Monday I definitely will be updating you about it. If I discuss the other pairs, dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar Swiss franc, then obviously I will try to correlate with other pairs, and uh, to give a little bit more good overview of the pair. So for the dollar CAD and these other main pairs that I usually discuss in the weekly forex forecast videos, I will discuss that tomorrow same time on my channel. You can get that video, and I am sure you have to watch that till the end. Okay, you have to watch that till the end, because I'm going to discuss a lot of new information, a lot of new setups. Some setups are broken, some gave profits, A lot of setups gave profits and some failed. So there is a lot to discuss. Maybe tomorrow the session will be, if I get enough messages from you, this tomorrow's session maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes, a complete webinar you can say. So and tomorrow, till tomorrow I will be feeling well, like if you pray for me, because today, even right now, it's kind of headache, dizziness, and spinning off the head. Anyways, so this is the overall opinion about the gold. Still, I'm looking at 1745. Let's see. I'm going to add buy positions there, but obviously there is a very, very long story. Who knows when will that happen? And one more thing, in the upcoming week, there are very less fundamental activities, so the market will be slowly and gradually coming back down. 1745 is its home. And let's say if you are taking any buy trades, then what you can do is your stops should be below 1745 for long-term trades. And when the price come back down, keep another position, add another position, add another position, depending on your equity. So let's see on Monday, and let's see tomorrow that what uh, story the other pairs are telling me. So till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to click the bell icon and the subscribe button and like the video, thumbs up the video. So till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.